Hey guys, what's up? Today it's Bry, and I'm back through YouTube. Dude, I haven't made a video in almost 8 months, and my iPad, or tablet's not really an iPad, hasn't been charged in 8 months. So I decided about 3 days ago, hey, why don't I just make a vlog since the hurricane's coming and stuff. But a lot has happened in the last 10 months. I've turned 10 in the last 8 months. What else have I done? Oh yeah, my buddy Josh came over like a week ago. He moved to Orlando from far away. But basically, I feel really bad for people in Hurricane Harvey. I feel really bad for them. I hope that everybody is okay and that most people evacuated from there. But for as of now, Irma's about to probably hit me and everybody else in my county and stuff area. But I just thought I'd make a vlog. If you guys ever see this video, you probably won't be watching my videos anymore because you're probably like, why would I watch this video and subscribe to him if he hasn't made a video in 8 months and hasn't even bothered to? Well, I will tell you that I will start making videos again. Sometimes I'll start, like, it's not going to be an everyday upload or something, but I'll start making videos at least once a week if you guys want me to. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to make a vlog, and I'm glad to be back on YouTube. Hopefully everybody's alright in Harvey, though. So I'll see you guys later in the next vlog. Bye. Hope that the hurricane doesn't hit too hard. You know what I'm saying, bro? Bye.